Hello everyone, my name is BJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the series of CKA questions and answers, today we are going to look into CRI-Docker question. CRI stands for Container Runtime Interface. It helps to communicate between Docker and Kubernetes, and that's why we need to install this package. So we're not going to details of how it works, what it does, but we have to install this package, and also we have to configure this parameters. So as you know, I have provided lab for all my questions to practice for you, and that makes life much easier for you. So let's get started. There's a CRI Docker installation lab. Just wait for a moment, and should be coming up. I will hide this part. Here, increase the size so you can see it. I will see what files we have got to install. So ls, you can see there's one file. It has been mentioned that this should be installed by using a dpkg. So let's do this. So sudo dpkg -i. We are installing in the root, and that's one of the requirement I've seen. CRI docker and install. So the package has been installed. Now we need to enable this. To enable this, sudo sysctl enable cri-docker dot service. Then we also need to start it. So sudo system ctl, sorry about that, ctl in start cri-docker dot service. There seems to be some issue, so I'll reconnect it. What was the last command? Start it. So somehow it's restarted. So let's start again. System ctl. Now we're going to check the status. So sudo, you don't have to use sudo, but you can just go system ctl status cri docker dot service, and you can see it's active and working. Now the next part of the question says add these configuration file into it. So mostly configuration file, and we go back to the lab now, exist under the etc sysctl.daemon. So what we're going to do is we create one file, etc sysctl.d, and we can put any name, to be honest, but say CKA exams or CA config, and we're going to copy paste everything from here, this part. So we paste and go back. Now we need to verify this. To verify this, there's a few ways you can do it. First of all, you can do cat etc sysctl.d and ck.config. Yeah. You can see that. The other option is you can do sudo sysctl system. So you can see these files are here, right? So that's all for this lab, and I hope it was much easier to follow. All the best for the exam. Please subscribe and like my videos and enjoy the lab. Thank you.